ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
pH of the buffer solution of 0.1 m ammonium hydroxide, pKb given 5.0. Next one, and 0.01 m NH4Cl. Here what they given, pKb given. What is buffer solution, student? The buffer solution means if you are adding acid or base, the pH is constant. pH is constant maintained, that is called buffer solution. Buffer solutions means again classified into acidic buffer, basic buffer solution. Now we have to discuss last year the same model problem given in NEET 2022. The pH of buffer solution of 0.1 m ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is the weak base and ammonium chloride is the salt. Now write the student, what is the formula we have to write? Data first write down pKb, that is 5, and concentration of salt 0.01 and concentration of base, weak base given 0.1. What is the formula? POH is equal to pKb plus log salt by base. What is the principle? Salt by base. This is the formula for POH is equal to pKb plus log salt by base. Now take the student, POH is equal to, what is the formula? pKb equal to 5 plus log, we can write salt concentration how much given, 0.01 means 10 ki power minus 2 by, here is base concentration how much given, 0.1 means 10 ki power minus 1. Okay na, 10 ki power minus 1. Here is 10 ki power minus, in the lower side to upper side going means the plus will come na. Now 5 plus log 10 ki power minus 1. 10 ki power minus 1. Now we can take here is a 5 minus 1 4 only. Okay na, 5 plus log 10 ki power minus 1. 10 ki power minus means 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Now pH is equal to, what is the formula? pH is equal to pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. 14 minus pOH. Now pH is equal to 14 minus, here is pOH is given how much? 4. Now pH is equal to 10. The pH is 10 is the answer. Okay, this one log 10 ki power minus 1 means 1. 1 this side is coming na. Even 1 here is, we can don't confuse. Here is 1 minus 1 is coming. Log again 10. The log 10 is 1 only. 1 into 1, 1 only. Now 5 minus 1, 4. This is the pH we can calculate. The next question we have to write it. Another question. Understand this question. pH of buffer solution of 0.1 of ammonium hydroxide and pKb given, and very easy question of the buffer solution, and 0.01 m ammonium chloride is. Now POH is equal to pKb plus log salt by base, and POH is equal to 5. I am taken log 0.01 means 10 ki power minus 2. Here is 10 ki power minus 1. 10 ki power minus coming to the numerator side means that is log 10 ki power minus 1. Here is minus, here is plus into minus, minus 1 log 10, that is equal to 4. Now pH is equal to, what is the formula? 14 minus pOH. pH is equal to 14 minus 4, pH is equal to 10. We can take next problem. The degree of dissociation. What is the degree of dissociation? Degree of dissociation of 0.1 concentration given 0.1 m HCN solution is 0.01. This is the degree of dissociation, alpha given 0.01 percentage, and concentration given C, concentration. M means always 0.m means this is the concentration, this is the ionization. What they are calculate? Ionization constant will be. Now ionization HCN means weak acid, that's why Ka is equal to C alpha square. Ostwald dilution principle, Ostwald dilution, Ka equal to Ostwald dilution formula, Ostwald dilution principle applicable to weak acid, weak bases, weak acids and weak bases, not strong acid, because strong acid is Ka value is higher, that's why we are not using. Now Ka is equal to, Ka means acid dissociation, concentration how much given students? The concentration is 0.1. Now write 0.1 into alpha means percentage given means 0.01 by 100 power square. Now Ka is equal to, we can write 0.1 into 10 ki power minus 2, here is 10 ki power 2, okay, total power 2. Now write the students Ka is equal to 0.1 into, that is 2 to the 4, 10 ki power minus 4 by 10 ki power 4. Now this 10 ki power going to numerator side means, now Ka is equal to 0.1 into 10 ki power minus 8. This one also combined means Ka is equal to 10 ki power minus 9 is the answer. Now very easy, we can take Ka is equal to C alpha square. The given degree of dissociation of 0.1 m HCN solution is 0.01. Its ionization constant would be Ka is equal to C alpha square. Now Ka is equal to 0.1 into, this is percentage given means by 100, 0.01 by 100. Here is how to write 10 ki power minus 2, because 2, 10 ki power minus 2, here also 10 ki power 2. We can, after solving, we'll get the answer 10 ki power minus 9.